How to fix Facebook 6-digit code not received on phone number. So if you want to fix your 6-digit code not received on your phone number, then what you need to do is first you need to check your internet connection. Once you check your internet connection, make sure that you have entered the right phone number in which you will receive the OTP. And then next thing you need to do is you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down, and here you need to go for apps. Under apps, tap on Facebook and open up your Facebook on your settings. And here you will have this kind of interface where you just need to simply go for notifications option, and under notifications make sure that you have turned on your notifications, because if you have not, then you will not receive your notifications like your code and everything. And once you've toggled on the notifications, now go for permissions, and under permissions make sure that you have allowed the SMS permission on your Facebook, because if you have not, then you will not receive the 6-digit code. And once you've checked, now you need to go for storage and cache, and you need to simply tap on clear cache. Once you cleared your cache, now your problem will be fixed. And once you've done all of these settings, now you need to make sure that your app is up to date. So open up your Play Store and go for the search, which is on the upper side, and then search for Facebook. Once you search here, you will have an update option instead of this open option. Simply tap on update and update your application. Once you've updated, your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then while choosing an option of receiving the OTP, you can choose your option as Gmail or email if you have not received your OTP on your mobile number. You will have two options, right? The mobile number and the email. So choose the email if you have not received the OTP after doing all of these fixes. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.